Hello, and welcome to our video on how to make money using artificial intelligence. In today's economy, AI is becoming increasingly prevalent and businesses are looking for ways to implement it into their operations. In this video, we'll be discussing a few ways you can make money using your knowledge and skills in AI. First, let's talk about data labeling. This involves providing labeled data to companies and researchers, such as tagging images, transcribing audio, and annotating text. This is a valuable service as it helps train AI models and improve their accuracy. Next, let's discuss AI consulting. As an AI expert, you can offer consulting services to businesses looking to implement AI solutions. This can include helping them understand how AI can benefit their operations, as well as assist them in the implementation process. Another way to make money with AI is by creating and selling AI-powered products or services. This can include creating chatbots for businesses, developing smart home devices, or even creating your own AI-powered mobile app. Finally, you can also make money by investing in AI startups or companies. As the demand for AI increases, so does the value of these companies, making it a potentially lucrative investment opportunity. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money using artificial intelligence, from providing labeled data to businesses, to offering AI consulting services, to creating and selling AI-powered products and services, and investing in AI startups or companies. With the right knowledge and skills, the possibilities are endless. Another way to make money with AI is by developing AI-powered software for specific industries. For example, creating an AI-powered system for financial forecasting, an intelligent medical diagnosis tool, or an AI-driven supply chain management system. These industry-specific AI solutions can be sold to businesses in that field, providing a valuable service and generating revenue. Another way to make money with AI is by providing AI training and education. As the demand for AI skills increases, more and more people are looking for ways to learn about AI and how to use it. You can create and sell online courses, ebooks, or even organize workshops and seminars to teach others about AI and how to implement it. It is also worth mentioning that as AI is becoming more prevalent in the job market, it's a great idea to develop your own AI skills and look for job opportunities in the field, either as a researcher, developer, or data scientist. With the right skills and experience, you could land a high-paying job in a company that's utilizing AI. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money using AI. Whether it's through data labeling, consulting, creating AI-powered products and services, investing in AI startups, developing AI-powered software for specific industries, providing AI training and education, or even finding a career in the field of AI, the opportunities are endless. With the right knowledge and skills, you can take advantage of the growing demand for AI and turn it into a profitable venture. One more way to make money using AI is by doing research and development work. You can work on AI research projects or create new AI algorithms and models that can be used by businesses and organizations. Research and development work in AI can be highly lucrative, and you can be part of the team that creates the next big AI breakthrough. Another way to make money using AI is by creating AI-powered marketing tools and techniques. AI can be used to analyze customer data and create personalized marketing campaigns, which can result in increased sales and revenue for businesses. As an AI expert, you can offer these services to businesses and help them to improve their marketing efforts. Finally, you can also make money by developing AI-powered games, apps, and other forms of entertainment. The use of AI in entertainment is on the rise, with many games and apps incorporating AI to make them more engaging and interactive. As an AI expert, you can create your own AI-powered games and apps, and sell them for profit. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money using AI, from data labeling and consulting, to creating AI-powered products and services, investing in AI startups, developing AI-powered software for specific industries, providing AI training and education, finding a career in the field of AI, research and development, creating AI-powered marketing tools, and developing AI-powered games, apps and other forms of entertainment. With the right knowledge and skills, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay updated on the latest AI trends and opportunities.